All right, welcome to Rovali's Ristorante's daily podcast. You know what? I'm looking outside. I see some very, very high clouds. Not too bad, very thin, but it's a beautiful day. I think it's only supposed to get to 88 today for the weather. And as yesterday, the grass is green, the flowers are blooming, and we've got a special guest I'm super excited about today. But before we do that, we're going to have a toast. So cheers with me, won't you? Oh, she's doing the virtual.
Going for it.
All right. Well, let me introduce you guys to Brandi Bosworth, and she is the curator. I'm just going to use that term, the curator of the Ogden Nature Center, and that's located at what's the address on that, Brandi?
We're at 966 West 12th Street.
Okay, so if you haven't been there before, you have passed it. I am positive you've passed it. But it's a great place. Now, I did a little bit of research on my own, and correct me if I'm wrong, but where you're sitting on, is it 152 acres?
Wow, I'm impressed. You are exactly right. We have 152 acres here at the Nature Center, and we have about 1.5 miles of walking trails.
Wow.
All really easy. It's really, truly an oasis. It's sort of, I liken it to Ogden Central Park. It's a big place. It's a big place in the middle of the city, and there's a lot to see and do here at the Nature Center.
Well, and I really like that moniker, Ogden Central Park. That's pretty cool. Because I've been to Central Park, and it is an oasis in the middle of a giant concrete jungle. But I would like to, I'd like the folks to get to know you a little bit better. And so kind of tell us your background, where you came from, are you local? Also, kind of your, a brief history on how you ended up at the Ogden Nature Center.
So I grew up in Ogden. I'm a true blue Ogdenite, born and raised here. I went to Mount Ogden and Ogden High. My elementary school was St. Joseph. I went to Weber State University and graduated with a public relations degree. And I found my home at the Ogden Nature Center. I've actually worked here for about 17 years.
Wow.
As relations coordinator. It's home. It's absolutely home to me. It's a beautiful place. And I always say if I quit my job, I'd be really jealous of whoever got it. Because it's a pretty good gig. It's a pretty awesome gig. But perfect fit for me because of marrying my love of public relations and graphic art. A lot of what I do here is marketing and graphic art. And communicating with people, which it comes really naturally. I'm definitely an extrovert. And nature, my love of nature and gardening. So it married the two, and now this is just another home.
Well, that's awesome. You know what? I think I've done something weird here. Hold on one second. Don't go away. Because I hear you on my cell phone, and I need to change that. So hold on one second. Okay, I guess we're just going to have to go with this. I don't know how that happened, but I'm not a pro at Zoom yet, so I'm going to put my phone right here so everybody can hear you clearly.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, so we're gonna. Hey, I make things happen. You know what I mean?
Good. Yes, I totally do, and I think it's so cool you're doing that. Just like off the cuff. Why not? It's perfect, and it's a great way to connect with the whole community.
Well, I got to tell you though, we have a history and you don't even know it yet. Okay. So I am an Ogdenite, born and raised here. Okay. I also went to Ogden High School, so I'm a Tiger. Way to go. And I also graduated from Weber State.
Oh, wow. Okay. So what are your years on that? What year did you graduate?
Oh, I'm not telling you that. What year did you graduate from high school? No, doesn't work that way. What year did you graduate from high school?
I graduated in 88. Oh, dear.
Ooh. Cool.
I don't know if you caught that, but we just had a year go by.
Well, I graduated. I graduated in 80.
Okay, so hey, we're not that far off. Especially it to be our age, like 8 years.
Well, thank you. You just made me feel very, very happy. So, you know, and here's another thing that we have in common, okay? When I believe, I was a sophomore in high school, I worked for a summer youth program, and I worked at the Ogden Nature Center.
Oh, very good. Okay, that's awesome.
Well, it's not as awesome as you think, because I worked there for one day, and I had allergies so bad, it was like almost hospitalized type thing. And I don't know what it was.
Sorry.
I don't know what it was, but you know, it was. I did work there for one day.
I'm pretty lucky. I don't suffer from allergies, knock on wood. Sometimes I think maybe it's coming in my old age, but
You're not old. Come on. Anyway, so I want to talk about you know, the before we went live, Brandi and I were talking about people not knowing if you're open or closed. And so can you kind of give us you know, what's happening at the Ogden Nature Center, and you know, give us that, let everybody know that you guys are open.
Yeah, we are open. We've been open for about 5 weeks now, actually. So we're open from 9 to 3. We have a little bit change in our hours. We were 9 to 5, but now we're 9 to 3, Monday through Saturday. And people are welcome to come out, bring picnics. We always have like a pack in, pack out rule. So if you bring your picnic, just plan on taking your garbage home with you. Like I said, there's about 1.5 miles of walking trails. On our property, you'll come across a couple of bird blinds where you can view birds, but they can't view you. And we could even walk over to one if that sounded fun. One's fairly close to here where I'm located right now. We have a couple of tree houses on the property. We have a spotting tower. Some new developments where we worked with Ogden City last year to develop a big retention pond. And eventually it will both be for wildlife and habitat. Right now it's really functional to help us store water for the center, but it's beautiful and you can see it from the observation tower. And of course our visitor center is open, and it's a really cool building. I'm going to try to pan, let's see, I'm going to try to go around, and it's sort of in the background. I'm going to just walk over here since we're pretty casual.
Oh yeah.
Hopefully I don't, I'm on cellular, and I'm hoping our connection stays pretty good. My phone usually hangs in there, hangs tight. So there's a lot to do. We also have, and we'll walk over there too. So here behind me, let's see if I can get far enough out. It's our visitor center. I'm in the backyard of the visitor center right now.
That's a beautiful building.
It's such a cool building.
Yeah.
And on the way into the visitor center, from the parking lot, we have what's called Birdhouse Trail, and lining Birdhouse Trail, there's about 150 birdhouses. 40 of them are new this year, so lots of creativity from our community, and they're all built by people just entering. We have a competition every year, and so people enter the competition and build birdhouses, and then we put them up on Birdhouse Trail for the whole community to enjoy. So that's kind of fun. And right now, I'm making my way over to the bird muse because it's another really fun spot to visit here. We have a birds of prey exhibit, and in that exhibit, there are owls, hawks, eagles. We have a really irascible raven who's kind of a character and can be a little turkey sometimes.
Oh, wait, did you say a raven can be a turkey?
Yes, that's Utah talk. So a raven can be a turkey. So right behind me is Samson. Great. He is a red-tailed hawk. I don't know if you can see him up there.
Oh yeah, you can see him. Wow.
Yeah, I'll try to get. So I'll walk on down to what I can get really close to, which are the eagle. So I'm passing by Athena. This is Athena. I don't know if you got to see her. Great horned owl. When you're at the nature center, you're really up close and personal with these birds. You get to see these wild birds of prey from 6 feet.
Wow.
So it's really a unique opportunity, and I think really rewarding, actually.
So,
where is that?
so let me ask you this: what are the what's the what ages do you look for that need to come, that need to see the nature center and experience the nature center? Is there specific age groups?
Age 0 to 120. Every age. It's perfect for everyone. Here's this Tate, our bald eagle.
Oh wow, that's beautiful. Holy
Yeah,
smokes! Does he have a name or she?
This is a female bald eagle. Tate. So her face means, I'll read it to you. May the sun shine on your face and in your heart in a good way. That's what her name means. It's an Apache name.
That is awesome. I love that. Wow. You're making me feel warm and sunny already.
They're good. She's talking to us this morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, she's got a lot to say. She's very vocal. She has a lot to say. Sometimes actually she knows she's on camera. Like she's just right behind.
So on some of your, during this pandemic right now, are you having like any summer programs or classes or anything that people can do right now?
We are. I'm glad you asked. So our summer camps are in full swing. They're reduced class sizes. Normally we have 20 to 25 students in a class. Right now we only have 8. But everything's being held outside. Students, the only reason they would go inside is maybe to use the restroom. Actually, I can't think of any other reason. Everything's outside. So all classes, we have awesome, like totally awesome teacher naturalists that are here leading the classes. A lot of them are full. There are 1 or 2 that have a few openings, but most of our camps are full. When we did decide to open up to camps this year, parents were so grateful and looking for things for their children to do that were safe. So most of the camps are full, and we're grateful and happy to be conducting those. Like I said, we're open to all visitors, all ages. It's a great family venue. But we're open Monday through Saturday, 9 to 3. And starting this Saturday will be our first Weber County Ramp Saturday, which is a free day.
Oh,
so
wow.
we have, so free admission on Saturdays will start up this weekend and run through August 22nd. And just a note, that is thanks to Weber County Ramp Tax. So just to acknowledge Weber County Ramp, and next time around, as citizens, we vote for that. So know what it's providing. It's providing free admission to places like the Nature Center.
And that's great for people, especially if they're not sure, about the Nature Center. And if I can go for free, I'm going to check it out, because I think once they get there, based on just the little bit that they've shown us, they're going to keep coming back.
It's a super fun day. So we are supported by membership, and we have really reasonable membership costs. So it's $45 for a family membership. But I will say that's value packed. So you can come to the Nature Center for free all year and attend our programs for free on Wednesdays and Tuesdays. So on Tuesdays we do Nooks and Storybooks, and on Wednesdays we do Wild Wednesdays.
Wow.
So that's part of your membership.
The
other really...
Go ahead.
Oh yeah, the other cool thing about the membership, we have some agreements with other places in town. So you can also go during the week, on weekdays only, and use your Nature Center membership at Dinosaur Park and get in free at Dino Park. You can use it at the Union Station Museum any day of the week.
Wow.
And on third Thursday of the month, so just one day a month, you can also use it in Salt Lake City at the Tracy Aviary. So for $45 a year, I just can't think of a better value.
Well, it's there's so much to do. And And
that's for your whole family.
I was just going to say $45 not per person, per family.
That is for your whole family. It's almost kind of ridiculous. But you can get a membership online. You can just hop on our website, which is ogdennaturecenter.org, and hit the donate button, and that will lead you to the membership page. So it's a deal. That's a beyond a fantastic deal, because especially introducing everybody to the Union Station Museum and the Dinosaur Park, and I mean all this stuff Ogdenites you guys can do today. That is awesome. And I by the way, I will post the link to your website in the description. So if people that are viewing this want to get that $45 family deal, and even if you get it now, so that's throughout the whole year, right? Not just the summer. That's always. We have grandparent membership, or a little bit more. That includes your grandparents, and they can get $60 for a grandparent membership. There's all options, and know that that's how we survive. We survive with community contributions and membership, so it helps us out, and we really like you to become a member and take advantage of all that's going on here. As a member, you also get our newsletter. You'll get all kinds of beautiful mail from moi. I send it out personally, and it's fun mail. We don't always get fun mail, but I send nothing but fun mail.
Well, now you say you've been at the Nature Center for 17 years.
I have.
You still seem so excited about what you do.
Yeah, it's home. I love this place, and I can't imagine working anywhere else.
Well, you represent it very, very well. So I want to talk about a little bit about the walking path that you talked about. You said it's a mile and a half?
Yeah, so we have about a mile and a half. There's a small inner loop, maybe a half a mile, and then there's a larger outer loop that's maybe the full mile and a half of the loops out. It's a surprise. There's some beautiful little pond spots. There's meadows. I'm getting that.
Oops. It looks like we actually, there you go. You there? She's getting back on. Hold on a second, folks. We lost your audio, probably because it hung up. Hold on one second. I can fix this, maybe. Let's see. Let me call you right back on the phone. Hold on. See, this is what happens when you have live shows. It's awesome. I am dialing her right now.
Alex, are you there?
I am here.
I think I may have lost you. I was getting a call.
Let's see. Yeah.
But I do think we got most of what we need to talk about in. How do you feel about it?
I feel great about it. And so I will go ahead and close the window, but stay on the phone with me if you don't mind.
Okay. Not at all.
And so there's so much to do, and you can walk the trail. Now, on the path, can people bike there, or is it just walking only?
It's walking only. In the wintertime, we allow snowshoeing and even cross-country skiing if there's enough snow on the ground.
Oh, wow.
But it's walking only.
Okay,
yeah,
that's pretty cool.
They're dirt kids trails.
All right. And let's see, I'm trying to think if I have any other questions for you. Let me do this then. Give us your best closing pitch on why people should be going to the Ogden Nature Center and taking advantage of all the stuff you just talked to us about.
Oh, sure. Well, it's a lot of scientists would attest that nature's a healer, and nature's a place of respite, and it's good for you. It's good for your health. So first and foremost, that's why I would come to Ogden Nature going to have a great experience and a great day here at the Ogden Nature Center.
Well, excellent. Well, Brandi, it was so fun visiting with you, and thank you. It was great to get to know you too. Sometimes, guys, when I have interviews, I've never met the person before, so it's not like I'm just interviewing friends. But I think I made a new friend. I hope I did anyway.
Oh, for sure, me too. Likewise, and I'll see you in the restaurant. I'll be sure to see if you're there next time I'm in.
All right. Well, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for the tour. It was pretty awesome. And you know what? I've got a 2-year-old grandson, and I think we're going to be buying the family pass. And I want to take him out there because I'm super stoked of what you showed us.
Yeah. So if you buy the grandparent membership, so you'll be able to use it and his whole family. So that's kind of cool too.
All right, that sounds like a good deal. All right, Brandi, well, we're going to say goodbye to you, and I would ask everybody else to hang on because I want to go over my features today at Rovali's. And Brandi, have a wonderful day, and thank you again for giving us your time.
Okay, thanks, Alex. Appreciate you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right. Wow, that was pretty cool. Sorry for the technical difficulties, you guys. But it was very cool. And I'm seeing a video a little bit now. Let's see if I can hang there. Okay. So so today is the day that we want to invite you to Rovali's, and we have, I think today's the last day we're featuring the volcano with the cheese tortellini and the zucchini zoodles. We also are featuring our banana brownies, the chocolate decadence cake, the German pecan pie caken, the limoncello tiramisu, orange pistachio cake. That one's a really good one. It's a triple layer cake and very, very tasty. And the red, white, and blue cake, and that one has been a major hit. So we're super stoked about that cake. And don't forget, we are open for lunch or dinner today. And come on out, because I think the top temperature is only supposed to be 88, so it's gonna be great to dine out on the patio. There's plenty of room, plenty of space, nice, fresh, clean air, and delicious food. Bring your friends, bring your family, and join us for lunch or dinner today. And we're still doing curbside. We have takeout and pickup, and you can find us at rovalis.com, ROVALIS.com, or you can give us a call and place your order at 801-394-10. What is my phone number? 394-1070. Wow, you know what that means. But I haven't had to do that throughout this whole thing. Just at the very end, I almost made it through without going off the rails, but there I went. Anyway, you guys, thanks for tuning in, and we still have, I'm booking more guests. I got some great guests coming up. I'm super excited about it. And so if you like it, share this video, please. That helps to get it out, get the word out, and we can get more guests to interview. But if you like it, please share it. We really appreciate that. And like Rovali's Facebook page if you haven't liked it already. And we'll see you at Rovali's. Don't forget, go to rovalis.com to place your order, or call us at 801-394-1070. I got it right that time. All right, we'll see you guys on the flip side. Ciao for now.